How to fix SIM card no service issue on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix SIM card no service issue on your Android device. But before we begin, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your phone's dialer, and then here you're going to dial *#06#, and it will show you your IMEI number and your serial number. Make sure that this is correct as it's shown on your phone's box. Once you have done that, you can open up your settings menu, and then from here head over to your connection settings. Now from here head over to mobile networks. And from here on the network mode on your SIM one, make sure that it's selected to LTE, 3G or 5G. If you've already selected 5G, make sure to switch it back to 3G and then again switch it back to 5G. Do the same thing for this one as well. And after doing that, you're going to tap on access point names and then check for your access point names on your both SIM 1 and SIM 2. And after doing that, head over to network operators, and if the select automatically is selected, then if you want to manually switch between your network operators, you just want to turn this one off. After doing all of this, make sure to remove your SIM tray and then insert it back again and restart your device. After doing that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.